Dan Harper here with another Cool Places in Manitoba video, and this is the Trestle train bridge. Actually, if you like card games, you could also pronounce it Uno, because anyone I asked how to pronounce the name all gave me different pronunciaciones. Originally constructed using timber in 1907, at its highest point it stands at 115 feet tall. The amount of timber they actually used to make it would be worth about $700 billion today. Manitoba is about 3.5 hours west and a little bit north geographically of Winnipeg. I first went over this bridge by train years ago while on assignment and always wanted to come back to see it. Not only is it absolutely stunning, but it has a really interesting history that I learned from the Manitoba Historical Society. On September 2nd, 1915, about 8 years into its service, during a massive storm, a tornado knocked down almost the whole span of 1,573 feet, 3 inches and 2 millimeters, approximately. As you can see, this is about 4 forests worth of wood on the ground. Unfortunately, just shortly after it was blown down, J.C. Files was bringing a train down the tracks when he saw the bridge was out. He tried to brake, but was unable to stop in time and went down with the locomotive. A fireman, Hugh McKay, waited until the last minute and was able to jump off and survive. The bridge was rebuilt almost miraculously in under a month because it was part of the main line. Many years later, in 1929, it was replaced by a steel viaduct bridge, which is the same bridge that stands there today. There really isn't that much information about Uno itself. What we do know about Uno is that it was part of the Alphabet Railroad and it had a post office and lots of farming around it, but it was so small that there was really no population data. All that really remains of it today is a sign just beside someone's house of where the post office used to be, and a massive pile of railway ties. Huge thanks to Doc Gordon Goldsboro for his historical images, and to the Manitoba Historical Society for having literally thousands of stories like this on their website. I'll leave a link to them below. Hey, thanks for watching. This is just another random video short of a really cool place I visited around Manitoba. As always, any of these video clips are available as stock footage. Please get in touch with me if you're interested in buying this or any of my other shots, or have an assignment or contract you'd like to talk to me about. And please, please, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm putting more and more content on here all the time.